How's it going, guys? This is Carter with Eurofed. We're out here at Caffeine and Octane.
Checking out some cool cars.
We got a booth going. We'll show you that, and I'll show you around. Got a pretty cool Euro collection out here today, man.
Vintage on.
Hey, that's cool. I still think it's cool.
Got some race cars out here, man. Dude, what are you? This single is sick.
Financially.
Got a Vorsteiner kit on this Huracan.
Look at this, just the Miata with the Lambos and the Mercedes.
This color's nice though.
It is nice though. I'm not. Yeah.
No, we came in just when they were coming in. Yeah, so we parked the shop.
Oh, these are BCs?
It's got BC wheels on the Liberty Walk.
On an Italian car. We got BCs and a Liberty Walk.
And Japanese stickers.
That's nice.
Like this is the type of car I'd pull out of like a Hot Wheels pack.
Exactly, dude.
This thing's cool.
You don't see these very often, man.
Cars and ceramics.
Yeah, you could like
Racing.
We got our booth showing out today, man.
trying to go like Waffle House.
SV.
All right, you guys, we just got all packed up. We're gonna head out. We'll see you in the next one.